Alright guys, well it is D-Day. It is the day that I'm going to start packing this bad boy up and finally get rid of it. I couldn't be more excited. Hopefully to move on to a machine that will work for us, although I'm skeptical because I thought this one would work for us. So, gonna start tearing her down, turn her around, gotta get the box inside, got all the packaging. The shipping company is coming to pick it up on Monday between 8 and 4. So hopefully Shelby can wake up because she does work the night before and they'll be here. But yeah, it's time to get this bad boy on the road. Alright guys, so I'm all packed up with the laser. I still have to put it in the other box and then also put it on the pallet, but I'm going to wait until Sunday probably to do that because I don't want to have to deal with rain or anything of that nature. The only thing we have left is the rotary. That box disappeared. I'm pretty sure I threw it away. It came shipped separately, so they're trying to figure out what they can do. Hopefully they can take it back because that's $400 and I don't really want to have to deal with anything. So it sounds like they might source a box from Flux and then we'll kind of go from there. Focused. So everything is all packed up. The laser head is in this box. It is stable. It's not going anywhere. It's pretty wedged in there. Don't really remember exactly how it was loaded up, but I would say that's probably pretty good. So guys, if you like content we're making and want to continue to see us make some laser things and continue to grow this business, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on post notifications so you guys get notified every video that we post. And go ahead and check back next Sunday at noon. We post consistently every week, and one day maybe we'll get up to once or twice a week. So thanks for checking in guys. See you next week.